Very good morning, my dear aspirants. Today we are going to discuss about July 1st daily current affairs. And in this, every day we will discuss five important topics, gunshot topics, right? So today we will discuss our first flashpoint. Prime Minister greets Chartered Accountants on CA Day. Flashpoint 2, CCI Adani SBE Holdings about acquisitions. Flashpoint number 3, AGNIFM partners Microsoft India. Flashpoint number 4, National Horticulture Board Center established at Gwalior. And the last one, flashpoint number 5, PM addresses doctors on National Doctors Day. So let's start our first topic. Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted National Chartered Accountant Day to these chartered accountants. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted National Chartered Accountant Day, which was celebrated on 1st July to chartered accountants all over India. And these chartered accountants always works under a professional accounting body. Please to remember, these chartered accountants always works under national professional accounting body. So what is that body, guys? That is ICAI. Please to remember, these all chartered accountants works under a national professional accounting body, nothing but ICAI. This National Professional Accounting Body of India comes under the jurisdiction of, please to remember, comes under the jurisdiction, nothing but it's a parent organization. So please to remember, what is that department? Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Corporate Affairs. This is very important point. Please to remember, all these chartered accountants will work under one national professional accounting body. What is that body? Accounting body? ICAI. And next point to remember, this ICAI parent organization is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. This ICAI established on July 1st, 1949 by an act of parliament. So for this, there will be no articles, there will be no parts or schedules. So this was formed under an act of parliament. So now this became a statutory body. If any organization, any department, any institute, if founded under act of parliament, then definitely that institute or organization will become a statutory body. So ICAI was established on July 1st, 1949 as a statutory body under, please do remember guys, under which act? That is our Chartered Accountant Act 1949. 1949. So this was enacted by an act of Parliament on July 1st, 1949. So now this became a statutory body. So under Chartered Accountant 1949 Act. So what is the main role of this? It will regulate the profession of all these chartered accountants. Next, you should also observe the symbol of this Institute of Chartered Accounts of India. This symbol was designed by the famous freedom fighter of India, Sir Aurobindo Ghosh. Sir Aurobindo Ghosh. Next, how these all these begin? How all these chartered accounts or CAD or about this Institute of Chartered Accounts, how all these started? If you observe during the British regime, these Britishers used to keep all the records of the companies under which act? Companies Act, right? So every record will be kept under Companies Act. So all companies should give their accountability, their business report to the Britishers under this Companies Act. And the certified auditors, like what we call today as chartered accountants, CAs. So in that time, the certified auditors who completed the course or the degree or the accountancy diploma, that was used to say, those certified auditors will join into this organizations, and they all should come under these Companies Act itself. They will work for it. So in India, the accounting profession remained unregulated till 1948. After the Britishers left India, this Companies Act was unregulated till 1948. The same year, an expert committee suggested that to form India's Companies Act, India's Chartered Accountant Act. And with this result, in 1949, in 1949, in 1949, this Chartered Accounts Act was founded. So that is the main source for it. And from that day, we are celebrating July 1st as Chartered Account Day. But now, if you observe, there are so many scams from Satyam scandal to Punjab National Bank scam. All these big companies which are audited by these certified auditors, still these auditors couldn't recognize that scam. So for this, government of India thought to introduce NFRA, National Financial Reporting Authority, which is an independent regulatory body. So this is our Institute of Chartered Accounts of India, right? So now under this Institute of Chartered Accounts of India, which was established in which year, guys? 1949, right? So, in 2018, in 2018, this NFRA was founded, and who was the chairman of that NFRA? R. Sridharan. Please do remember, guys, the government of India appointed the former retired IAS officer R. Sridharan as chairman of NFRA. So why this NFRA was introduced? So as I said earlier, because of the scandals which are happening in the big companies, where the auditors failed to recognize, failed to expose the scam. That's why in 2018 this NFRA was introduced. And please observe here, what is the role of that NFRA? Which is the regulatory body, which is the regulatory body for these auditors. And auditors, which type of auditors, guys? Who audit the big companies. Please to remember, in exam they may ask us the abbreviations. What is the NFRA? National Financial Reporting Authority. So what is the role of it? It is it is the regulatory body of the auditors who audit big companies. Thank you.